I'm Debbie Saido, president of Richard Bland College. During these unsettling times brought about by the COVID-19 global pandemic, my first priority is to ensure the health and wellness of our students, our faculty, and our staff. Over the past 2 weeks, higher education institutions around the world have been forced to move to a virtual environment. I'm proud to say that our campus community has admirably maneuvered this transition, both to online teaching and learning, as well as virtual operations and services. I've marveled at the adaptability and the positivity of our faculty in transitioning all of their courses to an online environment. Likewise, members of the Student Success Team have been remarkably creative in identifying new ways to assist and support our students at a time when they are making the biggest sacrifice of all. For students who were scheduled to graduate in May, this final chapter of their RBC experience has been completely rewritten. Springtime has arrived on campus in its full glory, but the many activities and celebrations that would typically be in full bloom across campus have all been canceled in accordance with CDC and Virginia Department of Health guidelines. But this is the least we can do to help stop the spread of COVID-19. The Statesman community is caring and compassionate to its core. We care about our surrounding community, and we care about each other. Even though our students, and indeed all of us, are feeling isolated and unable to be together, sharing the joys of collegiality and springtime on this beautiful campus, soon enough the spread of COVID-19 will pass. Let's just take one day at a time, and before long we'll all be back together again as the strong statesman family that we are. In the weeks and months ahead, it's going to be essential for all of us to continue to do our part to follow the stay-at-home orders issued by the governor regarding social distancing. Each of us has a responsibility to do our part to slow the spread of this disease by reducing close interactions between people. This means staying away from crowded places with 10 or more people and staying at least 6 feet away from others at all times. Social distancing now means staying at home. It means changing your day-to-day routine to reduce close contact with others. Even on these beautiful sunny days, now is not the time to congregate on the beach, have large parties, or meetups. Please, please help stop the spread of the coronavirus. As members of the RBC community, each of us has the responsibility to limit COVID-19 exposure. Any member of this campus community who's been asked by public health officials to self-quarantine or self-isolate must follow those directives and should not be on campus. And finally, let's all remain calm. Let's be compassionate. Let's be positive. We need to remember to take care of each other and also those we care about. Again, I'm profoundly grateful to every member of our Statesman family. All that you're doing to continue to fulfill the college's educational mission during these very difficult days is making a positive, stabilizing difference for our students and our community. I'm grateful to our students, especially, for your discipline and your sacrifices. I'm also deeply thankful to those on the front line of this public health emergency, including many of our students and their families. Please take good care of yourselves, and let's think about and plan for better days ahead.